Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So be sure to hit that subscribe button to get the latest videos, and if the video you're about to watch you find helpful or enjoy, be sure to hit that like button, as it really does help out the channel. Now, today's product is more of an unboxing. It's a little toy that's called Magformers. So this is the box it comes in, and I kind of want to just show you what all you get when you buy this. And you can pick it up at any major retail store. I will include a link in the description. That will take you to Amazon if you want to check it out on their website. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Open this up here, and what this is great is it's basically a little magnet toy that makes it very creative for kids and lets them basically use their imagination to build whatever they want. So as you can see, it comes all nice and bundled up, and then it's also going to include a little book that gives them some ideas of various shapes that they can build if they want, or they can just build whatever they want, whatever they can think of, and it's all magnet powered. So take off this top here, and what I like this set is you can make cars out of it, and kids love cars. So you got two little wheels here, then you got a single wheel, and then we've got all the magnet pieces. And essentially, set them up however you want. And you just kind of have fun with it. They provide hours of creativity and fun for kids or adults even. So this is kind of basically it. You just build whatever you want to build, have fun with it, and all lots of pieces. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these little orange or yellow triangles. Got 2 little diamonds here. Got 2 longer triangles, got 2 trapezoidal shapes, and you've got 6 of these squares, and then 2 of the little longer red squares. But that is it. That's what I wanted to show you, and a lot of fun. So feel free to hit me up in the comment section if you got any questions. And like I said, I put a link in the description if you want to check it out yourself on Amazon, and you can find it at all the major retail stores. And that is it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.